Hi, what is the value of a? Given that you have 5 to the power of a plus 5 to the power of a equals 100, then let us recall that we have this 5 to the power of a in common, so we can factor it out to be 5 to the power of a, open parenthesis. This 5 to the power of a divided by this will give us 1. But this 5 to the power of a divided by this will give us 1. Then we have this side to be equals 100. So from here, we have 5 to the power of a multiplied by 1 plus 1 will give us 2, then equals 100. Then when we divide 2 by 2, this will divide by 2. So this 2 we cancel out this 2, but 2 here is 1. 2 in 10 will give us 5. So from here we have here to be equals 50. Now from here we have 5 to the power of a equals 50. But let us recall that we can have 50 to be simplified as 5 times 10. So when we have it here, we have 5 to the power of a equals 5 times 10. But let's put them in parentheses as this. So having known that, let's introduce something we call log to both sides of this expression. So from here we have log 5 to the power of a equals log, open parenthesis, 5 times 10. Then let us recall that when we have log p to the power of m, this power m will come down to base to be m multiplied by log p. And also when we have log a times b, this equals as when we have log a plus log b. So we are going to apply this product law here, and we are going to apply this power law here. So we are going to have it as a times log 5 equals, this will now be log 5 plus log 10. So dividing through by log 5, so log 5 will divide by log 5, it will give us 1 times a. Here will be a equals log 5 plus log 10 divided by log 5. A will be equals log 5 divided by log 5 plus log 10 divided by log 5. So we have from here a to be equals log 5 divided by log 5 will be 1 plus log 10 divided by log 5. Then let us recall that we can have 10 also to be equals 5 times 2. So from here we have a to be equals 1 plus log 5 times 2 in parentheses divided by log 5. So we express a to be equals 1 plus this will be log 5 plus log 2 divided by log 5. So a equals 1 plus log 5 divided by log 5, log 2 divided by log 5, When log 5 divided by log 5, it will be 1. So from here we have 1 plus 1 plus log 2 divided by log 5. Then from here we have a to be equals 1. 1 plus 1 will give us 2 plus log 2 over log 5. Then let us recall that when we have log a divided by log b equals as when we have log a and base b. So when we apply it here, so this will be equals a equals 2 plus log 2 in base 5. This is the value of a. Then let us now check or to verify for the value of a equals 2 plus 1, whether it will satisfy 5 to the power of a. 5 to the power of a equals 100. So from here, we have this to be 5 to the power of 2 plus log 2 in base 5 plus this 5 again to the power of 2 plus log 2 in base 5. The question now is it going to give us 100? Now, we have this to be repeated 2 times, so we can factor it out to be 5 to the power of 2 plus log 2 in base 5. Then the whole of this time here divided by this, here will be 1. So far they are the same. This also divided by this, it will be 1. Since they are the same, then it's going to give us 100. Let's deal with the bracket first. 1 plus 1 will give us 2 times 5 to the power of 2 plus log 2 in base 5. Then it's going to give us 100. Recall that when we have a to the power of m plus n equals as a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. By applying the law of indices here, so we are going to have this to be 2 multiplied by 5 to the power of 2 multiplied by 5 to the power of log 2 in base 5. Then are we going to have it to be equals 100? 5 to the power of 2 simply means 5 times 5 times 2. This 2 times 5 to the power of log 2 in base 5. Then are we going to have it to be 100? 5 times 5 is 25 times 2 is 50 multiply 5 to the power of log 2 in base 5. Then are we going to have it to be 100? But recall the relationship between the exponents and log. When we have a to the power of log b in base a, we have this to be log and this is an exponent. So far they have the same base as this. The output of this expression will be equals to b. And this implies when we have 3 to the power of log 4 in base 3, you say the output of this will be 4. So from here we have 50 times the output of this will be 2. 50 times 2 will give us 100, which equals to this. So therefore 100 equals 100. So far the left hand side equals to the right hand side. This implies that we have a equals 2 plus log 2 in base 5 satisfy the problem given to us.